Pearl is one of the oldest, most desired, and most spectacular gemstones in the world. Formed differently to most gems, pearl is an organic creation found in the sea, a natural phenomenon that actually occurs as part of the defense mechanism of a mollusk shell. Coming in all shapes, size, and colors, pearl has shown itself to be remarkably versatile when it comes to jewelry design and has a fascinating and rich history built up over thousands and thousands of years. Here we delve a little deeper into the story of this most classic of gemstones. Pearl has long been known as the queen of gemstones. They are one of the most precious gems ever discovered and are believed to have been revered and traded as long as 6,000 years ago. Their exact moment of discovery precedes recorded history, though it has been speculated by many, including noted gemologist George Frederick Kunz, that the first pearls to be had by human hands were likely discovered on the shores of India as fish-eating locals searched for food. Pearls were being given as ornamental gifts in ancient China as far back as 2250 BC and have been used in jewelry as personal adornment since at least 450 BC. A symbol of power and wealth, pearls were incredibly highly valued in ancient Egypt, where mother of pearl, the lining of the mollusk from which a pearl is born, had been used since at least 4200 BC. Legend says that Cleopatra was able to use a pearl to win a bet whilst meeting with the Roman general Mark Antony, whom she later wed. Her wager was that she could serve the most expensive dinner of all time. She took off one of the pearl earrings, crushed the gem into her wine, and drank it down. When Antony was offered the other earring to do the same with, he instead conceded, losing the bet. Modern estimates put the value of those pearls at more than 3 million British pounds each. There are many myths and legends surrounding pearls, and one of the most common sayings is pearl bring tears. This originates from ancient times when people thought that pearls were the tears of angels or of the moon. Despite the widespread use of this phrase, most cultures actually believe the opposite to be true, such as the Greeks. To this day, the Greeks regard pearls highly for their beauty and associate them with love and marriage. They believe pearls promote marital bliss and prevent the bride from crying on her wedding day, which is where the tradition of giving pearls to a bride originated. In ancient Rome, pearls were recognized as a definitive sign of wealth and social status, and it was believed that they would promote a long and healthy life. When battling during the Crusades, knights would wear some pearls, them as a talisman, believing they would help protect them. During the Renaissance period, pearls were regarded so highly that some countries passed laws allowing only the nobility to wear them. It has also come to symbolize eternal life due to its shape and history. Pearls were once feared to be fragile, but with the right care, they can last a legacy.